analyst of BG Trading in Australia. Hope you are well. Today is 26th of August 2024 and we're going to be analyzing Kogan, which the SX code is KGN. This is a stock that we have been covering in this channel. We've been sharing our thoughts on Kogan, which was trading at $4, between $4 and $4.50, which we thought there was a lot of value at the stock, provided that we have been tracking every single quarter update, and we saw that the company was not only profitable but also increasing its profitability and improving its EBITDA as well. Obviously, the revenue has shrunk a little bit, most generated by on sales promotions in order to boost the company's turnover during economic crisis, which we are having here in Australia. But provided that we might have an interest rates cut by Fed, by RBA in the next 6 months. This is obviously a little bit of speculation when I say interest rates cut in the next 6 months. But if the Fed cuts interest rates in US next month, now right as early as September, as most analysts are now pricing 100% chance of Fed cutting interest rates by a quarter of percentage, then we might have another cut between the end of between now and the end of the year by Fed, which should trigger a RBA cutting rates as well. So we're going to be able to have that confirmed. But the important thing is the market normally prices that between 6 to 12 months in advance, and that's exactly where we are positioning now to see most the high quality. And again, like this, for us, Kogan is the back end of the high quality retail stocks, and the reason is because Kogan has obviously problems in the past, so is not as consistent as supposed to be, but has turned around its business into a profitable business, even paying dividends and buying back shares. Let's have a look. Let's remember, this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we do trade together with our VP members, stocks, small, mid, and large cap stocks to chase 20 to 40% profit with a very tight stop losses. If you like the content, please share this video with someone that you think would be interested. And obviously hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Now let's take a look at this. We have been covering Kogan and retail stocks as they've been trading at really low prices for quite some time. So not only Kogan, but also if you've been following us long enough, you know that we covered Appen, which we locked in 75% profit recently together with our VP members. You can see like many videos about Appen, also covering Zip and Title. But then Kogan is one of these particular stocks that we thought there was value because we not only saw positive signs of buying backs, but also the company turning into a profitable business once again. As today we had the company releasing its full year results, so we have already analyzed this morning and put together our comprehensive view where the Kogan should be a buying a stock now, looking forward to the macroeconomic outlook, and or we should just lock in profit or sell it. Well, first of all, let's dive through the key fundamental metrics and for FY24 report. The company reported positive key fundamental metrics in almost every single level except for gross sales and revenue that shrank a little bit, again as a result of a on sales campaign, because the company has a lot of inventory back in FY23. Now this most of this inventory has been digested, and Kogan has managed to increase its gross profit significantly by 23.3%. which in FY23, the company reported gross profit of $136 million, now has increased to $168 million, a very good improvement from the previous financial year. So also, if you're actually interested on this analysis, direct message us and I will send the link, or go on our mail list, which will be also sending to our subscribers this analysis. Obviously, you won't have access to the trading considerations and targets and stuff like this, but we do share a considerable amount of information here that will allow you to make a good decision whether you should be buying or not these stocks. So again, like obviously this is not a financial advice, you gotta make sure you understand that. Anyway, adjusted EBITDA, which is one of the most important fundamental metrics, has improved as well to $40 million from $6.8 million in FY23. So that represents a 487% increase. Okay, obviously adjusted EBITDA is not the actual EBITDA, but what we want to be looking at is the statutory net profit after tax, which has increased 100%. So last financial year, Kogan reported $25.9 million loss, and this year has reported $100,000 a profit. Obviously, they have done an adjusted net profit, which is $21 million, which is obviously better, but that shows how the company has turned around its fundamentals, and now it's a profitable business again. And not only that, it's actually paying dividends as well, which is good for institutional investors and superannuation funds. Kogan has showed improvement its loyalty programs, platform-based sales, also across the key product divisions, and improvement as well on the verticals and advertising operations. So essentially, the measures that the company has been taking over the last financial year has certainly improved the overall business model. And if you've been following us long enough, you know that I'm a fan of stocks like this, especially when they are trading at technically discounted price, which Kogan was 3 weeks ago when we posted a video about Kogan being a company that has a strong fundamental value at the current levels where the stock was trading. So just take a look at that. The main turnaround was caused by COVID. So essentially, Kogan has done incredibly well during the lockdowns, and then expanded way too much and held way too much stock, which was costing a huge amount of money for Kogan and burning all the net profitability. But then after that, Kogan has done a strategic review and recovered incredibly well from the COVID cycle, which we call post-COVID. So inventory right sizing, which has adjusted to post-COVID business environment, shifting to platform-based sales, and also incredibly good cost management and operation efficiency, which include 12% reduction in variable costs and marketing strategy that was not being very effective in the past. So Kogan also improved its profitability and margin, which is exactly what results in a good report. Now, let's. This is our overview from the technical position of Kogan, and I'm going to actually open on our platform, but I wanted to highlight this. As you can see here, there was a strong bullish divergence on the stock since April, since after the crash that we saw in April and May, and that's why we start looking not only from the technical aspect, but also from the fundamental aspect, whether we could be buying Kogan at the time the stock has crashed. Then we saw a double bottom formation here, which enhances the fact that this particular stock has now became favorable for a further rally and potentially reaching BGS 20 target, which is available for our VIP members. If you are our VIP members, you know that. If you are not and you want to know where we should be cutting our position, be locking profits, just take a look on bgtrading.com.au and you can sign up as a VIP member and take advantage of all those stocks that we believe are trading at a technically discounted price and have a potential upside. Okay, so strong volume to the upside now has shown that we might have this downtrend has finally broken. As you can see, the long-term moving average is still still above the stock price, but the short-term moving average has broken, and then now it's trading at the bullish side of the SMA. And if you know what bullish side trade means, that we had a bullish intersection level 1, which is a key technical indicator pointing a buying opportunity for us here at BG Trading. We also have this long-term ascendant trend, which is has been broken to the downside, but hasn't yet recovered to the upside. So this is now playing as a hypothetical long-term resistance level, and it might take a few days plus a non-market crash in the US, a little bit lucky, to get this broken. But once we have this broken, I'm very confident that we will see Kogan moving towards $6 in the short term, especially because now we enter into a monetized easing cycle with Fed pivoting its interest rate cycle, and we most likely will see RBA also pivoting its the interest rate cycle, and as interest rates goes down, consumer spending should increase as mortgage holders will have spare money, we have more money to spend in consumer discretionary products, which is exactly what Kogan sells on their platform. Anyway, the result was positive, macroeconomic outlook is positive, and the technical aspect also positive. The multi-dimensional strategy shows that we have the three key pillars favorable for further rally on Kogan. So I'm bullish about this stock now, although we're still trading in sidelines. So I'm bullish for the reasons I've just explained in this video. Let us know what you think. But obviously, remember, once Kogan reaches a target, we will be exiting. We don't care what happens after. But at the moment, we are bullish towards our target, just to be very clear. Okay, we're not implying that Kogan will reach $8 or $10 or anything like that. Again, we're just saying that we are bullish based on the chart formation as per our BGS 20 target. Hope that was clear, and hope this analysis was valuable. Once again, if you're interested to have a full access to the full stock analysis of Kogan, direct message us and we'll be sending the link. Have a great week and fantastic trades as well. See you in the next video.